Hello, my friends. Today we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals are very important. They help us in many ways. Some give us food, and some help us on the farm. Let's learn about them one by one. Are you ready? Let's go.
This is a cow. The cow lives on the farm. The cow gives us milk. The cow eats grass.
Now I want to ask you about the cow.
Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great! This animal is a cow. Where does the cow live? Great work! The cow lives on the farm.
What does the cow give us? Good work! It gives us milk. What does the cow eat? Good work! The cow eats grass. This is the horse. The horse runs fast. The horse eats hay. The horse lives on the farm. Now I want to ask you about the horse. Are you ready? Let's go.
What is this animal? Great! This animal is a horse.
What does the horse do?
Good work!
It runs fast. Where does the horse live?
Good work!
The horse lives on the farm. What does the horse eat? Good work! The horse eats hay. This is a sheep. The sheep has soft wool. We use the wool to make clothes. The sheep eats grass. Now I want to ask you about the sheep. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Good work! This animal is a sheep. What does the sheep have? Good work! It has soft wool. What do we do with the wool? Good work! We use it to make clothes. What does the sheep eat? Good work! The sheep eats grass. This is a dog. The dog guards the farm. It barks at strangers. The dog is a loyal animal. Now I want to ask you about the dog. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great! This animal is a dog. What does the dog do? Great! It guards the farm. What does the dog do to strangers? Great! It barks at them. Is the dog loyal? Great! Yes, it is a loyal animal. This is a duck. The duck has webbed feet. It can swim in the pond. The duck quacks. Now I want to ask you about the duck. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great! This animal is a duck. What kind of feet does the dog have? Great! It has webbed feet. Where does the dog swim? Great! It swims in the pond. What sound does the duck make? Great! It quacks. This is a rooster. The rooster crows in the morning. It has bright feathers. The rooster takes care of the hens. Now I want to ask you about the rooster. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a rooster. When does it crow? Great. In the morning. What does it look like? Great job. It has bright feathers. What does the rooster do? Great. It takes care of the hens. This is a donkey. The donkey is strong. It helps carry heavy things. The donkey lives on the farm. Now I want to ask you about the donkey. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a donkey. Is the donkey strong? Great work. Yes, it is strong. What does the donkey do? Great work. It helps carry heavy things. Where does the donkey live? Great work. The donkey lives on the farm. This is a cat. The cat lives on the farm. It catches mice. The cat is a clever and quiet animal. Now I want to ask you about the cat. What is this animal? Great work. This is a cat. Where does the cat live? Great. It lives on the farm. What does the cat catch? Great work. It can catch mice. Is the cat clever? Yes, it is a clever and quiet animal. This is a hen. The hen lives on the farm. The hen has white wings. The hen lays eggs. Now I want to ask you about the hen. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a hen. Where does the hen live? Great. The hen lived on the farm. What does the hen do? Great. It lays eggs. What does it look like? Great work. It has white wings. This is a goat. The goat lives on the farm. It says, "Bah, bah." It is a gentle and a friendly animal. The goat eats leaves and grass. Now I want to ask you about the goat. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a goat. Where does the goat live? Great work. The goat lived on the farm. What sound does the goat make? Great. The goat says, "Bah, bah." Is the goat a friendly animal? Yes, the goat is a gentle and friendly animal. This is a chick. The chick is a small and yellow animal. The chick grows into a hen or a rooster. It says chip chip. Now I wanna ask you about the check. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a check. Where does the check live? Great work. The check lives on the farm. What color is the check? Great. It is a yellow animal. What sound does it make? Great. It says chip chip. What does it grow into? Great. A hen or a rooster. This is a rabbit. The rabbit eats carrots and grass. The rabbit lives on the farm. It hops and runs fast. The rabbit has long ears. Now I wanna ask you about the rabbit. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Good work. This animal is a rabbit. What does it have? Great. It has long ears. What does the rabbit do? Great work. It hops and runs fast. What does it eat? Good. It eats carrots and grass. This is a goose. The goose can swim. The goose lays eggs. Now I want to ask you about the goose. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this animal? Great. This animal is a goose. Can the goose swim? Yes, it can swim. What does the goose lay? Great work. The goose lays eggs. Goodbye, my friends.